Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set alarm in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. First of all, go to the home screen and go to clock icon. Just click on clock icon and you can just turn on this button to edit this alarm. Alarm is set as 6 a.m. Otherwise, if you would like to add yourself alarm, just click on plus symbol and you can set your own alarm. First, set time for alarm. Here I would like to set 5 a.m. and in days you can select all days or some particular days only. If you select all days, every day alarm will be repeated on this particular timing, that is 5 a.m. If you select some particular days, those particular days will have only alarm on this timing. You can also set alarm for a future date, one particular date. Just you can set alarm. For example, if you would like to go to a function, or if you would like to go to a friend marriage on particular date, you can set the date, and on that date just you can set timing, alarm timing. For example, you have to click here and you have to choose the date. Here I would like to choose 8. Click on done. So I choose July 8. Only on July 8 on this time alarm will be ringing. On all other days it will not be ringing. So this is for usually using for a particular function. Here I would like to use alarm for my daughter birthday. My daughter birthday is on July 8 and I would like to get up early on this day. So I would like to set alarm on July 8 for 5 a.m. Here you can take a note of your alarm. For what purpose you are going to set your alarm. Here I set alarm for my daughter birthday. So simply I write my daughter name Jesslyn and birthday. Jesslyn birthday. So it will be easy remembrance for me. You can also set as per your wish. For example, if you are going to your friend marriage function, just write friend marriage and then alarm sound. Here this is a sound for your alarm. Just you can set this as a ringtone. How you choose ringtone? Just select any tone, or otherwise click on this plus symbol and select any music file from your phone. Click on done and that will be acting as alarm tone. Then vibration. Here you can just turn on or turn off. Also you can select from the available options. If you select a heartbeat vibration type will occur, and in snooze just turn on or turn off. And if you click over snooze, you can modify the settings. For example, here by default interval is in 5 minutes and repeat is 3 times. If you would like to increase interval, you can choose from the available options 10 minutes up to 30 minutes you can choose. You can also choose custom interval 60 minutes, up to 60 minutes you can choose, and 60 minutes 3 times or 5 times or forever. Okay, as per your wish. Here you can set the snooze. Finally click on save and yes, alarm is set now. Alarm in 8 days. For coming up July 8 days are counted, and on 5 a.m. this alarm will be repeated and it will be automatically turned off after that. So in this way you can easily set alarm as per your wish in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.